Do you want to know what's coming next for Cardiff Bay? Well, it's a £300 million investment in a brand new 16,500 capacity indoor arena right here behind me. That means around 1,000 jobs, not just in construction, but also permanent roles when the facility opens in 2028. More events, more visitors, more money into the local economy and local businesses. Because Cardiff Bay is already a huge part of our country's economy, and this takes it even further.
And this is what Welsh Labour's plan for jobs looks like. Backing big investments like this, creating good, secure jobs, and making sure people here in Wales benefit with more apprenticeships and more opportunities and a stronger economy for the future.
More jobs, more growth, a stronger Cardiff and a thriving Wales.